So Neil, what are we up to today? Well, he's not in a talking mode, so I'll let you know. We are working on another project. It is a shirt dress, so I'm mashing together two sew over it patterns, the penny dress and the cape dress, mainly because the penny dress needs a circle skirt, and I really had to use this fabric from Spotlight. Look at it, it's got baby possums, and I should be a better Australian and know all the names of these flowers, but I don't. So someone has decided that I'm not going to be able to cut out anything for now. What do you have to say for yourself? Hey? Speak. Oh, now that I'm videotaping you, you want to move. Hey? Cats. Okay, so I have locked the side, and I hate it when they're like overlock something and they're like, don't note where the bloody notches are. So I tried to do a lot of filming of the sewing in this project, and to be honest, it's not particularly interesting. Here I am at the point of still working on the bodice, and of course someone is wanting attention, and soon enough we'll see him cross in front of the camera to show us how pretty he is. Oh, and here he is. And I'm trying to get a decent shot, but it's not working. What do you have to say to your loyal fans? And now I'm watching some sewing videos while I'm sewing and then commenting about it. Oh, the excitement. Here we're seeing me marking where to put the pockets. Of course, given how busy this fabric, you can really not see anything. But what I have done is I have measured down about 10 centimeters from the top of the fabric at the waist, and then I'm marking here with my pencil where the point is. Yep. Marky, marky, mark. Very exciting. She's done. So it's time for the recap. I think it turned out really well. I think the only thing I need to do next time is check the waistband against the skirt. And I think I can just slash and thread the skirt next time, because more swooshiness is good. I think the fabric has worked absolutely perfectly. I think it fits really well with the bust. I mean, you're always going to get this bubbling from grown on sleeves. Yes, Neil is singing. So, I'm really happy with this one. It's a great everyday work dress. It's going to be a fun summer dress. If my cat will stop singing. So we can wrap up this project. I'm wearing my shoes for my next project, which will hopefully be up on Sunday the 1st of November. Excuse me, sir. Hold on. Neil and I would like to remind you to stay awesome and be healthy, and we will see you in our next video. Bye. Say goodbye. Do you want to say goodbye? You don't want to say goodbye? Cats. You're so awesome. Bye.